This drill is fingertip dribble. So yung drill na to ay ginagamit para ating mapalakas ang ating mga fingertips, mga katulong sa ating pag-dribble. This drill is front wrap. So yung drill na to ay ginagamit para ma-enhance ang ating ball manipulation na kinakailangan para sa ating dribbling. This drill is behind wraps. So yung drill na to ay ginagamit para ma-enhance yung ating ability to manipulate the ball when dribbling. This drill is 3 crossover high, 2 cross low. So gagawin natin drill na to, no? Sa 3 crossover high dapat relax. And then sa 2 cross low dapat mabilis tayo mga ka-ballers, no? So maganda to para mag-improve yung ating dribbling. This drill is crossovers while moving. So kinakailangan natin kasi na mag-dribble habang naglalakad. This drill will help you to improve your dribbling skills. This drill is between cross, kung saan yung drill na to ay maganda if you want to develop your dribbling skills at the same time your footwork. This drill is behind the back, so maglalakad lang tayo habang nagbi-behind the back. So maganda to para mag-improve yung ating behind the back dribbles at the same time yung footwork natin. Mukha lang siyang madali pero mahirap. This drill is in and out crossover between the legs then behind the back. So yung drill na to ay maganda para ma-improve yung ating dribbling skills kasi we are using 4 different combination drills. This drill is between the legs, and behind the back. So these drills also will improve your dribbling skill at the same time your footwork. This drill is cross between the legs. So this drill will enhance your dribbling at the same time your footwork. This drill is 1 dribble between the legs. So kung napansin nyo habang nag-dribble tayo, pa-zigzag tayo, no? Which is na kailangan natin para matuto tayo magdala ng bola. This drill is 1 dribble behind, kung saan kapag nag-dribble tayo, we have to do behind the back while zigzagging, no? So maganda to para mag-improve yung ating dribbling skills.